And I'm going to also order, I'm sorry, no residing with minors. All right, because this is because this is not a plea bargain agreement, you do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegation in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
This case dives deep into a courtroom whirlwind, felony drug charges, a tangled love triangle, and a defendant walking the line between family man and gang affiliation. But trust us, the real twist. It's not what's in the car, it's who's in the courtroom.
Court is calling 2024 CR 4614, State versus Iris Gomez. Can I have parties announce?
Jason Garahan for the state, Your Honor.
Jose Rocha for Iris Gomez, Your Honor.
And are you Miss Gomez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it Iris or Iris?
It's Iris.
Iris?
Iris in Spanish, but it's Iris.
All right. No, just tell me how to pronounce it. I will pronounce it the way it should be pronounced.
Iris, Your Honor.
All right, Iris. All right. So is there an application in this case?
No, Your Honor. There,
Right.
and Judge, just like you know, there's a case that's a plea and there's also an MTR.
All right. So we're gonna start with this case first.
Which is the case, Your Honor?
2024 CR 4614. All right, and so the record can be clear. If you all announce again for the record.
Jason Garahan for the state, Your Honor.
Jose Rocha for Iris Gomez.
All right. And you're Miss Gomez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Gomez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Ms. Gomez, did you review court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with fraudulent use of possession of identifying information, less than 5 items as a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Gomez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, if the court were to follow your agreement, that potentially if you're not a citizen of the United States, you could be deported, not allowed re-entry into the country, and denied naturalization?
Understood, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 1 year in the state jail facility.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is to run concurrent with 2020 CR 073. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense is at the plea?
Yes, Your Honor. I did.
State?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By
Nice.
signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State exhibit number 1 with all of its attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. The court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, I believe that my client has accepted responsibility. She understands what has transpired. And she agreed to go forward with the plea agreement along with the MTR for it to run concurrently for 1 year. And I believe that that's also going to be time for her to really have an introspector of herself and understand what can be changed once she's released from jail.
Have you truly reflected on the fact that you stole your sister's identity and your sister was minding her business, being a good sister at work, and the police came in and arrested her because you had been using her identity and they thought it was her?
Yes.
Have you internalized that?
Yes.
Have you apologized to her?
Yes.
All right. The court is going to sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. This is run concurrent with 2020 CR 0673. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, the court is proceeding in 2020 CR 0673. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and state's motion to supplement pending motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke probation with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Iris Nicole Gomez who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 0673 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 less than 1 gram on January 5th, 2021 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, and since it's a rather large MTR, we were gonna go on the supplemental.
Mhm.
And that's on violation of condition number 5. In Bear County, Texas, the defendant Iris Nicole Gomez did then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of November and December 2022 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any
No
objection?
objections, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes, sir.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It is to adjudicate guilt, revoke the individual off the community supervision, sentence her to 1 year in the state jail facility to run concurrent with 2024 CR 4614.
That is an understanding of the agreement, Your
All
Honor.
right. Has she done anything on probation?
She's done a little, Your Honor.
And what has she completed parenting classes?
No, Your Honor.
Judge, the only thing that was complete on this term was on this probation was her TAP evaluation
I sent her, it's over to my mom.
and
Mhm.
there was a total credit of $424 for her assessed fines of $2,812.
So you haven't done anything on probation.
I had just lost my little sister around that time.
Mhm.
It was very hard.
Okay. All right. The court is finding violation condition number 5 true. The court will sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility. Court will give you credit for any time served. The court will request the therapeutic community. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? And I'm so sorry. This is the run concurrent with 2024 CR 4614. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
6 children, absent parents, and now grandparents carrying the load. It's not just a legal story, it's a generational one. Should courts weigh parental responsibility more heavily during sentencing? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.
And I'm gonna also order, I'm sorry, no residing with minors. All right, because this is because this is not a plea bargain agreement, you do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegation in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
No, I don't.
All right, so you can appeal. But you can't say, I'm appealing because I don't think I should be on deferred adjudication. But you can appeal, you entered a plea of true to violation of condition number 5. And I've sentenced you, so you can appeal that entire plea of true, but not the fact that you were actually on probation. Do you understand? All right. All right, with regard to this, because this is a revocation and it's a criminal conviction now, felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You're gonna have to change your life big time. Otherwise, it's not gonna end well for you. When you're released, do not go to your mom's house acting as though you're the parent to a child, because legally you're not the parent. You're the person who gave birth to a child, but you're not the parent. So don't try to go over there and change her system or change her rules. You understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Oh, yeah, just call up. Mr. Cox, is your client going to be positive?
You'll be negative, Judge.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right, could you give me Mr. Cox client?
Mr. Cox is your client, Sergeant.
It's a Garrow. Kelly. And they should have, that should be 2 cases as well.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh. Hi, so have you drug tested today? Are the results going to be okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna have you drug tested today, all right?
I'm in line.
You have a seat, Mr. Seeloff. I'm writing you in already. You'll be next.
Here's Kelly.
Court is calling 2025.
Just a second. Judge.
Oh, I'm sorry.
My microphone cut off on me. Cord up there.
Need some help?
Thank you, Mr. White.
Try. Here you go, ma'am. I got it. You're welcome. We're gonna knock anything else over and destroy it. I will go. Got it.
Thanks.
Ah,
Get it.
okay.
Oh, it's Charlotte Troy.
Your Honor, with that situation with drug, she's on prescription medication.
Methadone as well?
No.
Okay. And what are the prescriptions for?
For mental health.
Okay. Just
right.
as long as it's not an illegal substance.
I just don't know if they come on our drug test or not.
Oh, we'll find out. All right, Mr. Cox,
What's the name?
I don't have the trial court certification on the 16 cause number. The cause number ending in 16. So if you could,
Should have been both our.
if you could grab that for me. All right. Do you need a pen? And to everyone else, be patient, put some patience in your pocket. We're gonna go as quickly as we can, but maintaining everybody's humanity, because these are not numbers, these are people. And it takes time so that I can make sure that I set conditions so you can be successful. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 007562B and 2025 CR 009816, State versus Kelly Aguirre. Can I have parties announced?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Cornelius Cox for the defendant.
All right, and are you Miss Aguirre?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. All right, we're here for sentencing. And the reason why your attorney wanted this recalled and not do it on the day that was originally set is because of no contact orders, right?
Yes.
And it's no contact orders regarding your child. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Kelly or
All right. So, if you're drug tested today, what will the results be?
clean. Negative.
All right. And you mentioned earlier about mental health. Are you seeing a doctor?
I currently got enrolled with the Center for Healthcare. My first appointment is not until October, but I have been going to the medical transplant specialty in the medical center to take my medication and stay on top of that.
Okay. And let me just tell you, the reason why I asked that of you is because I want to make sure that you're receiving the help you need to be successful on this probation.
Yes.
All right. So were you aware that your husband had been using?
No.
So you need to make a decision on who you want your star to be attached to, because I'll tell you what I told him. Your child cannot take care of herself. She can't survive at Travis Park. She's 100% dependent on you as a parent and your husband as her parent to do what's in her best interest. And what's in her best interest is not continuing to use illegal substances. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. And cause number 2025 CR 009816. The court will sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 007562B. There's a $1,500 fine that will be probated. Are you employed?
Not at the moment. No.
All right. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. MIC evaluation out of custody. Continued referral to Center for Healthcare Services, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once that's completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. State, are you still requesting no contact with the child?
For her, we are fine with no harmful injurious contact so long as there are regular field visits by probation throughout the duration of probation.
All right, there's to be no harmful or injurious contact with Layla Aguirre. Your attorney will explain to you what no harmful or injurious contact means. There's going to be field visits until further notice. And so you know, Jacob Aguirre is not allowed to reside in that household until the court allows him to reside in that household. And whether or not he resides in that household is 100% dependent upon his actions. So if he continues to use marijuana, that's on him. You understand?
Yes.
But if you allow him to reside in that household, that's going to be a violation of your probation. You understand? Okay. So no residing with Jacob Aguirre. Now that can change once he's negative. Do you understand? Probation, is there anything else with regards to that case? All right.
I'm
Did you
sorry.
review the trial
Well,
certification of defendants' rights to appeal in that case? Did you understand it and sign it? Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's
6 years
permission.
suspended and probated for 8, plus a gang evaluation and employment proof in 30 days. For a third-degree felony with drugs, armor, and a firearm, is this accountability or leniency? Would you have ruled differently?
Appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Next, we're proceeding in 2025 CR 007562B. The court will sentence you to 6 years deferred adjudication. There's a $2,000 fine that will be probated. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 009816. I'm not going to order restitution for the drug testing because he should be paying for that. And he's already supposed to pay for that. I think it would be double dipping if each party paid the amount for testing of the same drug. So there's going to be 200 hours in community service restitution. I'm going to order the MRT. Once that's completed, 100 hours will be waived. The other 100 hours will be waived once you complete the life skills course. Proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. No harmful or injurious contact with Layla Aguirre. Field visits until further notice, 1 time per month. No residing with Jacob Aguirre. And again, that will change once he tests negative. Probation, is there anything else?
Okay.
Is there anything else you need from the court?
Mhm.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You went through CPS and you went through CPS. Usually those cases take a minimum of a year. You went through that and you got to start making decisions whether or not you're going to hang your star with your husband or not. But if he continues on this path, things are not going to go well. And when things don't go well for him, if you tied to him, they're not going to go well for you, because Child Protective Services will be involved back in your life. And all of these Child Protective Services cases, that is permanently on your record like a criminal history. Whenever you pick up a new Child Protective Services case, a history will come up of all your cases with them and whether there were reasons to believe or not. And guess what? If your parents had a Child Protective Services case when you were a child, that's going to come up as well. So you better start making changes. You understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's ready?
You ready for the next one, Judge?
Yes.
Page 5, 4 down, it's Brandon Rodriguez.
All right, thank you. Brandon Ramirez.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. How's it going?
Not bad yourself.
Oh, I'm doing great. I guess you didn't realize you were coming in to work with our equipment.
Just trying to be helpful, Judge.
You're trying to be helpful because, you see Cornelius is there. He said he's having dreams about Florida winning the championship.
I definitely have to humble myself to Mr. Cox. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about that. Various reasons.
And then he has dreams about Texas A&M.
There you go. One day.
We all have dreams, Judge. I dream about the Razorbacks too. There you go. So we all have.
What's
dreams.
that song? I have dreams.
Oh, yeah.
All
Good
right.
for you.
So, where are
He's
we on
already
this?
giving me he's already beat me up. I can't hold myself. Wow.
So where are we on discovery?
I believe the discovery has been presented, Judge,
Mhm.
and I think currently I talked to Mr. Marshall about, is about, contacting the victim.
Okay.
And on certain aspects of a plea offer.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if I can have a 30-day reset.
September 25th.
All right, we'll be back on September 25th. In states, you need to be prepared to tender an offer at that time. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Okay.
The judge handed down probation, with tough terms and tougher truths. Family, drugs, gang history, and conflicting relationships collided in court today. What's your take on this ruling? Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more dramatic courtroom moments.